Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that has revolutionized the way business operate in the digital age. We are going to dive deep into the world of Microsoft Azure Cloud. So let's get started. Microsoft Azure Cloud is a comprehensive suite of cloud computing services offered by Microsoft. It provides businesses with the power to build, deploy, and manage applications and services through Microsoft managed data centers worldwide. Whether you are a startup, a small business, or an enterprise, Azure has something to offer for everyone. Let's talk about some key components of Azure. First, we have virtual machines. Azure enables you to create and manage virtual machines in the cloud, giving you the flexibility to run a wide range of applications without worrying about the underlying hardware. Next, we have app services. With app services, you can quickly build, deploy, and scale web and mobile applications using various programming languages and frameworks. It takes care of the underlying infrastructure, allowing you to focus on your application's development and functionality. Azure also offers a robust set of storage options such as Azure Blob Storage, Azure File Storage, and Azure Disk Storage. These services provide secure, scalable, and highly available storage solutions for your applications, data backups, and disaster recovery plans. Another powerful feature of Azure is its extensive set of AI and machine learning services. These services allow you to incorporate artificial intelligence capabilities into your applications, making them smarter and more efficient. You can use pre-trained models or build your own to solve complex problems. Now, let's not forget about Azure's networking capabilities. Azure Virtual Network enables you to create private networks in the cloud, connecting your resources securely and seamlessly. You can also extend your on-premises network to Azure using Azure ExpressRoute for a hybrid cloud setup. One of the most crucial aspects of any cloud service is security, and Azure takes it seriously. With Azure Security Center, you get advanced threat protection for your workloads, real-time security alerts, and compliance assessments to ensure your data and applications are safe and secure. Lastly, Azure provides a range of analytics and monitoring tools. Azure Monitor allows you to collect, analyze, and act on telemetry from your applications and infrastructure. With Azure Log Analytics and Azure Application Insights, you can gain deep insights into your application's performance and troubleshoot issues effectively. In conclusion, Microsoft Azure Cloud offers an extensive range of services and features that empower business to innovate, scale, and transform digitally. Whether you need computing power, storage, AI capabilities, networking, security, or analytics tool, Azure has got you covered. That's it for today's video on Microsoft Azure Cloud. I hope you found it informative and gained a better understanding of what Azure has to offer. If you have any questions or want to learn more about specific Azure services, feel free to leave a comment below and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.